Research shows that 97% of web pages get zero organic traffic from Google. But the top 3% are doing something different, and that's what you are going to learn. You'll discover 4-step SEO plan that's helped website grow by more than 100% in just 1 year. This method works across through industries like business, health, software, and many others. Let's break it down into 4 pillars. Pillar number 1. Study and beat your competitors. Search your keyword. Look up your target keyword in Google. Open the top 5 results. Create a Google Sheet. Collect data like title tags, meta description, H1 headings, first paragraph, and domain authority score from each page. Alright, domain authority is a score from 1 to 100 that predicts how likely a website is ranked on Google. Now look for the weaknesses. Do they include the full keyword in the URL? Look at the title tab. Does the title match the keyword exactly? Is the keyword in the first paragraph? Do they have a strong H1 headings? Are they covering the topic well? Use this info to adjust your own page, and that can instantly improve your chances of ranking. Pillar number 2. Feed Google's algorithm with the right content. Google uses NLP to understand content. You can use tools like SEMrush, Href, or Rankability to find topics that your top competitors include. Then use Rankability or any other tools to get NLP topic suggestions, because Google measures how well the title match the keyword. Then you can use ChatGPT to turn those topics into a content outline. Then add info from your company's about page to make it unique. And then review the outline and finalize it. But use AI only to generate ideas, not writing the content. Pillar number 3. Create an addictive page. Now it's time to write and design your page. Use human writers. In competitive niches, human-written content still perform better. Make the content helpful. Hit your word count, cover each topic deeply, and avoid keyword stuffing. Design for action. Your page should look like sales page. Clear headline, trust signals, and a strong CTA. Make a real offer. Free consultation isn't enough. You should create better offers that people can engage. Above the fold is key. This is the first thing visitors see. Make it simple and clear. Add social proof. Include testimonials, client results, and reviews. Use emotion plus logic. Appeal to both feelings and facts with your content. Pillar number 4. Build Google's trust in your site. Google wants to see that you are an expert. Create support content. Answer questions people also ask related to your topic. Link smart. Link your support articles to your main commercial page and to each other. Use internal links. From your most powerful pages, link to your main SEO page. Make linkable content. Create pages like 100 surprising pet food facts every dog owner in NYC should know. These attract backlinks. Spy on competitors. Use SEMrush to see what pages are getting the most backlinks and do something similar. Use ChatGPT for ideas. It can generate link-worthy content ideas fast. Ranking in Google isn't just about luck. It's about having a strategy. The 4-step plan you just watched works because it combines smart research, expert content, persuasive design, and Google-friendly signals. And while those steps sound simple, executing them the right way takes skill and experience. That's where we come in. At Ecomclips, we have helped businesses across industries climb the rankings, boost their visibilities, and grow their revenue using proven SEO systems. Our expert team knows exactly how to rank a website, whether you are new or just want to beat your competitors. Ready to grow your rankings? Just give us a call or email us with this video reference. Let's talk.